Happy Valentine's Day! If you're in Poland, it's Valentine's Day today. And I'm going to be opening a Kinder Surprise egg today. It's not an ordinary Kinder Surprise egg. It's a girl one.
All right, and happy Valentine's Day to all of our friends in the United States and around the rest of the world. Get started.
We're going to put the wrapping There's a crack in this one. It's okay, it still tastes good. Oh, it's a waving line crack. I like that. What?
You're just funny, that's all.
It's like a spaceship now. Why does these so hard even on Valentine's Day?
I'll help you open it.
Mommy, help me open it. Woo, it's a new one! Oh, it's like a kitty thing.
Ooh, what is it?
It's a kitty thing.
Oh, cute!
Let me get the rest of Oh, it's another one of those other thingies. I got one that looked like Max from Ariel. And now I got a new one. Okay. Last time we got... I'm not sure.
Oh, I remember these ones. So these ones have some assembly required, but they're cute because you can make their little heads go back and forth by rubbing their tummies.
Maybe we got the kitty one. The last one was like a puppy.
Yeah, the last one we got was a puppy. Oh, cool. All right, well, I'm going to help Amaya put this together, and we'll see what it looks like.
I got the head all put together. That's how it's supposed to go, like there.
Yeah, all right. Let me help you with the rest.
While Mommy is putting the toy together, I'm going to eat this.
Valentine's Day chocolate's the tastiest because it's given with love. Aww.
I think I'm just going to have one.
Oh, okay. Well, you can have the whole thing today. Will you be my Valentine?
Yeah.
All right. So here it is put together. It's kind of fun because you pet his tummy and it makes him twist his head. I'll let Amaya demonstrate.
Okay, now I'm going to just do it from the back. There's a little thing. Oh my goodness. Maybe I'll do it on this too.
Yeah, I think it's probably easier from the front because he's got a tail in the back.
Oh my goodness. What is it?
I think you're holding on to the back.
It's making it bubble.
There we go. There you go.
I think we got the kitty team of this one, and last time we got the puppy team.
Well, it's awful cute.
I almost finished the whole chocolate piece. I finished.
You're wild. All right. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Meow.
Meow.